Hello guys, how you doing? Welcome to a new video. My name is Andrew and this is the last video consecutively day after day that I'm recording. As of now it's going to be one video every week, so that's something to look forward to. However, this video I am going to quickly be going over how you can make your own merchandise. So first of all, I would highly recommend using a website called Spreadshirt. I will leave a link to them in the description, and currently there is a 15% off. It's valid until the 5th. Okay, we'll just come off that then. That is null and void. I'm terribly sorry about that. However, this is Spreadshirt and you can create your own free custom merch on here. You pretty much have a blank canvas to work with and go from there really. You can create iPhone cases, you can create bags and backpacks, you can create caps and hats, mugs and drinkware, aprons, pillowcases, long sleeve tops, vest tops, polo shirts, sportswear, baby bibs. You can even create underwear. So these guys are pretty self-explanatory. You can create men's clothing, you can create women's clothing. I even have some of their merch that I created a couple of years back. You just have such a library full of bits and pieces ready to use. You are gonna have to excuse this at the top here. This isn't currently live, but I can't get rid of it and I have to make the video. So, but it's fairly simple to use. You literally click on, you drop your logo onto a shirt, they send it to you and you can wear it. Pricing isn't bad at all. You have to pay a little bit of shipping. If you sell your clothes on their website, I don't know if they do a kickback. I can't remember. I haven't looked into doing it for quite some time. However, when you come to create your own clothing wear, I would highly recommend making sure your logo is a PNG logo, simply because then it will cut round the edge and you won't have some different texture around the edge of your logo on your actual shirt itself. If you want me guys to actually show you how to create something on Spreadshirt, please do leave a like and let me know, because I can do that in the future. I am going to leave the video here. I hope you enjoyed. Hopefully this gives you an idea as to actually creating something. And if you want me to actually create anything and buy it and wear it, let me know. Absolutely anything you see on this page now, I would be happy to create, buy and put on and show you. I would do that on my BuzzFuzz channel. So subscribe to that. Let me know if there's anything you want me to create, and we shall go from there. My name's been Andrew, thank you for watching, and I will see you next week for another brand new tutorial. Thanks guys, and goodbye.